Movies and series on my smart TV are all thanks to appstv.shop. Let me show you how we activated this platform using a computer or a mobile device. First, go to the UpsTV Shop platform. This is specifically designed for smart TVs, so you won't be able to use it on a smartphone or tablet. This is exclusively for TVs. As you can see, there are plenty of options available, many of which are missing from certain TVs due to their operating systems. With this platform, you can download them directly by simply connecting to the same Wi-Fi network. The process is straightforward. They use remote access to install the apps you want. For instance, if you want to download the Google Play Store, the platform makes it possible to install it on any smart TV, regardless of whether it has Android TV or not. All you need to do is click Download. The app will load without any issues and generate a link to install it on your smart TV. Make sure your TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the device you're using for the installation. Once connected, the system will start the verification process. It's crucial that your smart TV is linked to the same network as the device conducting the installation. A verification step will confirm you're the one initiating the download. At this point, you'll use your mobile phone to scan a QR code that appears on the screen. This code will take you to the Play Store where you can complete the process. With your phone or even the smart TV itself, you can scan this QR code. After that, it'll redirect you to the platform where you can finish setting things up. For example, let's say you want to install TikTok. Once you download and run the app, your smart TV will update its interface to include the Play Store. This gives you access to even more apps, movies, and series. Whatever you'd like to enjoy on your smart TV. It's a simple process and definitely worth trying, so don't miss out. In this video, I've walked you through how to activate it.